Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pam. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So I was gifted by Michael Todd Beauty's Sonicsmooth Pro Plus, and this is I checked on their website, and this is Reader's Choice Awarded Allure Beauty. So I am so excited to try this, and I'm going to unbox, and this is the before shot what I'm showing you. And inside this package I received some of the product that includes a charger. You get a stand to keep it, you get a cap for it to keep it clean and hygienic, and you also get a set of 16 refill tips, the blade, and there is two clear microdermabrasion tips. So I'm not sure how to use that. Maybe I will research and check on that, but for now I'll be using one of the refill blade, and you get all that charging accessories. So I'm using this for the first time, and also I'm excited. So I definitely did a first time test it on my hand. So this has 3 times speed setting, and the fourth time when you press it turns it off. So I just tested on my hand first in the speed 1, and I did not get any pain. I did not feel any pain or level of the vibration, nothing. So it was very smooth. So now I was confident to use it on my face as well. So I'll be using this to remove my peach fuzz, my upper lips, maybe on my forehead area. So try to use it, test it on your hand first and then on your face. So it is clean. My face is clean and dried right now because I just had a freshly shower, you saw. So I'm using it directly on my face very lightly. I'm not pressing it very hard. I'm just using it very lightly, light-handedly, and in speed 1. You can increase the speed as per you prefer. Wow, I'm so impressed. My skin feels so smooth. There is no peach fuzz, no upper lips, and don't forget to moisturize your skin well. Use any favorite of your, the moisturizer or a serum. I'm using a serum, or anything which is your favorite. Don't forget to moisturize it well. So this is how my skin looks after, and I'm very happy how it turned out. I'll be sharing all the links whichever wherever it's available on Amazon or on their site. I don't know if it's available on Sephora. I'll be sharing all the details in my comment section, pinned comment section, or in my description box, or you can check my LTK shop as well, dsouza. Don't forget to check all the details down below. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye.